Hi everybody, it's Julia, your trusted travel expert, helping you find that je ne sais quoi wherever you are in the world. And where I am today is the Ballantine Hotel and Resort, golf resort in Charlotte, outside of Charlotte, North Carolina, for the annual travel conference that I come to every year. And I was going to do this video kind of to give you a sneak peek of the conference last night at the trade show, but to be honest, I was a little too busy talking to all the different partners that were there, getting ideas and talking about various issues with my clients. And so I didn't get a chance. So bright and early before the show starts, I just wanted to talk to you about relationships and why it's so important for you that I come to these events. Let's just back up and, I talk to different hotel partners or companies that work with hotels in the destinations last night. And why is this important? If you were to book directly with the hotel on their hotel website, you would pay probably their full price. If you booked on Expedia, on any of the online tour agencies or travel agencies online, you would pay a discounted price. And then if you booked through me, you would probably pay a discounted price as well. But who is that hotel going to treat better when you arrive? Yes, they might treat the person that booked directly pretty well, but they have no relationship with that person. That's a one-off booking that they may or may not see ever again. The online tour operator, OTA, the Orbitz, Expedias of the world, they really don't like working with them because they have to pay extra fees, they get lower rates, and stuff like that for their rooms. So they're probably not going to treat that person very well. But the person that they booked through one of their tour agency partners that they know sells internationally, those are the guests that are going to get treated the best. They're going to get the best views, the nicest rooms in a category, maybe even free upgrades, extra amenities, things like that. So that's one of the reasons why it's so important for me to get to know the wholesale partners, is what they're called, here at conferences like this, because then I have a relationship with them, they have a relationship with the hotel, giving you, the client, the best experience. Another thing that's really great about developing these relationships with all these clients is that way if something goes wrong or if you're not 100% satisfied, it's so much easier for me to get help. For example, if you show up at a hotel and you hate the room that you were given and you had booked through Expedia or something like that, good luck. Who are you going to call? Are you going to go and sit on hold for like hours and hours and hours? Or let's just say that you booked a package through Expedia, for example, and your flight was delayed or you missed your flight. Okay, good luck. You're going to, again, sit on hold for hours and hours and hours. There's no one really there to help you. If you had booked through me and you show up at a hotel and you don't really like it, or you have a flight delay, or you have some issue while you're traveling, you pick up the phone or shoot me an email or shoot me a text or get in touch with me any way you know how. And immediately I call my buddy that I just talked to downstairs, and they call their hotel, they get on the road while you're having a drink in the lounge, enjoying yourself. We're in the background solving the problem for you. So that's why I come to these conferences at least once a year, if not more, and really get to know my partners and really build relationships with certain partners. So I just wanted to kind of give you a little behind the scenes. That's it for this week, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye.